The next kind of distribution to find is a conditional distribution. Conditional distribution, oops, this is for Harry Potter, number of Harry Potter movies seen by gender. So remember we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the thing about a conditional distribution is you can go one of two ways. You can go down the column or across the row, right? And you're trying to say, okay, what's the relative frequency for each category instead of for the whole grand total. So for this particular one, remember this total here was 1, 7, 10, right? So the total there was 10. Oops, 10. There we go. The total here was 26. Oops, I just pressed the wrong button. Hold on. There we go. All right, so what we want to do is we want to find a conditional distribution across the whole thing. So you want to figure out how frequent was this category in relation to its total, 10. So you say, okay, well, that was 1 out of 10. And then the next one was 2 out of 10, and so on, right, across the row. Now I can make Excel kind of help me out with this a little bit. Hold on one second. I'm just going to kind of copy and paste my categories down here because I don't really need the old categories, but all right, so I want equals this value of 1 divided by the grand total of 10, but I don't want 10 to change. I want it to stay that because I'm trying to figure out, okay, how frequent were each of these items for the different male categories. And then I want 5 divided by the grand total of 26 for that row. So I'm saying, okay, look, 19% of the females had seen 0 of the movies. 23% of the females, not 23% of the class, just 23% of the females, right? In other words, I'm putting males and females separately in their own bins. And then I can copy and paste, and you're going to get 10 out of 10 and 26 out of 26 in the far corner, i.e. 1, right? And then we don't need this because this is dead. Okay? So that's a row marginal frequency distribution, right? All right, so let me go back, and actually I'm just going to copy and paste these numbers in. Right? But you're getting them by, 10 out of, what this was, 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10. This one was 5 out of 26, 6 out of 26, and so on. But Excel finds them quickly. All right, let's do it again now. But now we're going to go column-wise. Okay, so, I did that again. Hold on. Well, I'll show you how I did it. You right-click, Format Cells, choose Text. There it is, Text. Say OK, and then you have to type 1 through 4. I'll just copy and paste it in here and make this one 5 through 7. There we go. That's good. Okay, so what I want is equal to, I'm going to go back and use my top one as my base. 1 divided by 6, okay? And then I'm giving it dollar signs because I'm not going to give it dollar signs. That's fine. 1 divided by 6. Oops. There we go. And then I'll just do equals, and I'll do it again. 5 divided by 6. I guess I should have given it dollar signs. That way I could have dragged it. Okay. I'll come back up here and give the B $5 signs. All right, there we go. Then when I drag it down, it'll just automatically fill. But I have to do it again here. I need 2 divided by 8, give the $8 signs, and then drag it, right? And then so on. Equals 3 divided by 10, give these $10 signs. Oops, yeah, 4, drag, click. There we go. And one more. Now what you're doing is you're figuring out, okay, how frequent was, for example, seeing 8 of the movies for men and women in terms of looking at just the people that had seen all 8. So you're saying, okay, look, out of all the people who've seen all 8, 33% of them were guys, 66% of them were women. Up here you're saying, okay, out of all the guys, 40% of them had seen all 8. Right? It's like they're kind of flip sides of each other. So this one's a row conditional distribution. This one's a column conditional distribution. Right?